Look at the name on this bad boy, the Fully Loaded Rum Punch. I love that. You see, just the name, it just sounds so aggressive. I'm fully loaded, okay? Oh my God, he's fully loaded. Rum, follow that rum up with some coconut rum. Beautiful. Coconut rum, I grew up on that. Spice rum in the Bahamas, coconut rum, we call it breast milk, okay? Dark rum, lemonade, okay? And then come behind there with some pineapple juice. Beautiful. Now we can shake this bad boy. Shake. Okay. Ice in our glass. Put in some strawberries and orange slices just to add color because you need that tropical Caribbean look, and then you pour that in. Yes, man. I can feel my blood rumbling when I look at it because it reminds me of home. Then we grab a mini rum bottle and we stick it in. And this was created by Simple Tales. Stay tipsy. Yes, man. Jack Sparrow.